Hi, my name is Jerrod Lawrence, and my father and I no-till around Oxford, Kansas. And I'm going to show you a little bit about our planter today. We have a 2008 model 8824 24-row white planter. We're going to show you a couple of the things that we've added to it. First thing we've added were the Yetter SharkTooth residue managers. We decided on these. They were a little more aggressive than some other types, but with the number of years that we've been no-tilling, we needed to move a little more residue to provide us a cleaner seed bed. The next thing we added were RK Products seed tube guards. Just new this year. We're trying them for the first time, along with new blades. We've had good feedback, so we decided to go with them next. At the back end, the second year that we had this planter, we put the Copperhead Ag Furrow Cruisers on the back. I've had really good luck with those. They've worn well. We've got somewhere around 8,000 acres on these, and they're by no means wore out. And we've had good luck with them getting the seed trench pinched together. And then on the back, we went with a Totally Tubular setup to dribble it out on either side of the row, about 1.5 inches. And we went that direction because we were trying to minimize the amount of weight and the amount of wear components on the front end of this row unit. We just run standard or the heavy duty down pressure springs. We've actually been talking about adding hydraulic down pressure, like down force or whatever, but we haven't yet. So our main goal was just going for something that was light, efficient, and didn't have a lot of wear components to it. We actually pull a 1,600-gallon tank behind, and we have just a ground drive pump that puts out about 13 gallons to the acre. We just run a starter blend of 924-3 thiazole, 28% fertilizer, and a micronutrient package. And we've been running that for the last 3 years. And then the bulk of our P&K goes on ahead of planting as dry, and then we'll stream on our part of our nitrogen ahead of planting, and then come back and just side dress with the sprayer, usually at the 6 to 8 leaf stage. We range from gumbo, blow sand, sandy loam, to some thin upland clay soils. On our corn, we try to put on the upland clay soils, we try to go for more of a workhorse, one that's going to hopefully be consistent and yield something every year. That's usually a shorter, like 103, 105 day variety. Our better ground, we usually shoot for a 108 to 111 day corn. Our population, when we first started, we were about 22,000. As we've gotten more comfortable with it and a number more years into no-till, we have actually increased that to anywhere from 23,500 to 24,000 seeds per acre on all of our dry land. We can have such a variable summer. We can start out super wet and get super dry and then super wet again, or vice versa. That low to mid 20s seems to be most consistent. If we could bank on several rains in July and August, we could push that upper 20s. But we run the risk of running out of gas before we get to the end. So we've decided, that's what most everybody plants in this vicinity as far as population.